Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. He to school every day. Option A is the correct answer. Question 2. They their homework before dinner. Option B is the correct answer. Question 3. She not like spicy food. Option C is the correct answer. I usually to the gym in the morning. Option D is the correct answer. Question 5. The teacher, the students, a story. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. We are a movie now. Option D is the correct answer. You speak English? Option A is the correct answer. Question 8. My sister to music every evening. Option B is the correct answer. Question 9. They a big house in the city. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. He me a letter last week. Option A is the correct answer. Question 11. The birds in the sky. Option C is the correct answer. Question 12. She always breakfast at 8 a.m. Option B is the correct answer. Question 13. We not see him at the party. Option D is the correct answer. Question 14. You must quiet in the library. Option A is the correct answer. Question 15. It very cold yesterday. Option B is the correct answer.